Hi guys, it's Cherael again. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful orange marble glitter using Activator. So stay tuned. So the products I'll be using today are Cherael Sky Dark Pink and this diamond glitter I mixed together to get this pixie pink powder. I also used Mia Secret Orange Acrylic, Pro Dip Clear, Mia Secret Cover Pink, and Cherael Sky Pure White and Cherael Sky Seal Protect, and also this beautiful orange glitter. So I already applied my tips and buffed my nails and all that jazz. Now I'm just applying bond to dehydrate the nails. I waited 30 seconds and then I applied base to half of the nail and then I dipped it into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder again. So my base glue was giving me hella trouble, so I had to throw it away and I started using the top coat that is in the dip powder kit and it worked great. So onto the pinky nail, I apply base, top coat, and then I sprinkle some of the pixie pink mixture onto the nail. Then I repeat the process for 2 more layers. However, I only showed 1 more, else it would have been repetitive and I didn't want that. So for the ring finger, I apply base to the nail bed area. Then I apply the pixie pink mixture so it could feather downward to create a nice ombre. I did 2 layers of that. Okay, so next, using my acrylic brush, I dip it into the Seal Protect and then taking up a small bead of clear acrylic and dipping it into the orange glitter, I apply it to the tip of the nail and creating a nice ombre to the tip of the nail. Now onto the middle finger, I take a bead of rose pink and then I also dipped it into the pixie pink acrylic and I apply it to the cuticle area just to make sure it is nice and even first. Then I dip it into the white and then the orange acrylic and place it on the nail. And then I place different colors of the acrylic on the nail randomly just to try to create the marble effect. So while doing it, I realized there was a problem with it because it started to look like colorful lumps of... Okay, so here we go again. So I take a bit of rose pink and I dip that into the pixie pink acrylic and I apply it to the cuticle area just to make sure it's nice and even. Then I double dip into the white and orange acrylic and place that in a slanted motion. And then I just randomly picked up wet beads of different color acrylic and letting them bleed into each other to create a nice marble effect. And I was proud of this one because the other one wasn't looking too nice at all. But this one was much better. So this nail design was inspired by long hair pretty nails. I saw this orange glitter on marble and I knew I had to recreate it. It was just begging me to recreate it. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button down below to let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to stay in the know about when I upload. If you're new to my channel, I upload content about dip powder and the various ways that dip powder could be used to achieve designs that are typically achieved using monomer and making it easy. If you're a first timer to my channel, check out what I've done so far, and thanks to all who have subscribed and stayed subscribed. So when I was finished, I just applied some orange glitter on the nail. And then I encapsulate the nail just to even out the nail and create a smooth surface. I only encapsulated this nail like this using Seal Protect and clear. The rest of nails I did it using base and clay. I also went over this nail with base and clear also because you need base and clear in order for it to file. Seal Protect and clear alone will not work when it comes to filing. You would not be able to file it. Oh, so now onto the index finger, I just use my top coat in the same way I use base and apply my Pixie Pink mixture onto the nails. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. I also did the same to my thumb. I was going to do marble on the thumb as well, but I was running out of time and I had to run an errand for my grandmother, so I just decided to do a whole Pixie Pink nail on the thumb as well. So I encapsulated the nails off camera by using base and dipping it into clear. I also encapsulated the marble nail. I think I talked about that earlier, but let me say it again. By using base and clear, because with the Seal Protect method alone you cannot file on it, you need the base and the clear as well. So I applied 2 layers of clear on the pinky and the pointer finger, and on the middle and the ring finger I did about 3 layers of clear, and I just used Activator on my nails, and now this is after filing and buffing. Now I apply more Activator to my nails. Then using some nail glue, I apply some rhinestones to the nails. Now it's top coat time. This new design is so gorgeous. The orange glitter on the marble is just so nice. I was so shocked it came out this good. I really can't believe it. I did that. So let me know what you think down in the comments and make sure to like this video as well. This is the finished look and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!